Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math Grade 3, Quarter 1, Lesson 1, Day 3. Our topic for today is about find the area of a rectangle and square in square tile. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. Illustrate and estimate the area of a square or rectangle using square tile units. Explore inductively the derivation of the formulas of the areas of a square and a rectangle using square tile units. Find the areas of squares and rectangles in square centimeters and square meters, and solve problems involving area of squares and rectangles. Learning objectives. Derive inductively the formula for finding the area of a rectangle and square, and find the area of a rectangle and square in square tile as the non-standard units. Day 3. Find the area of each rectangle. Number 1, area is equal to 21 square tiles. Number 2, area is equal to 30 square tiles. Number 3, area is equal to 16 square tiles. Number 4, area is equal to 15 square tiles. Are all rectangles covered with whole square tiles? Answer, no. For rectangle 2, one row has incomplete squares. For rectangle 4, both rows have incomplete squares. What did you do to tell the area of the rectangle in square tiles if some squares are incomplete? Answer, we put together incomplete squares that form one complete square. How did you find the area of these rectangles? Answer, we counted the whole squares and added the number of whole squares formed from putting together the incomplete squares. Our lesson for today is to derive inductively the formula for finding the area of rectangular and square surfaces in square tiles. How can we find the area of this rectangle? By counting the square tiles one by one. By skip counting by threes. By skip counting by tens. By multiplying the number of squares along the longer side by the number of squares along the shorter side of the rectangle. How many squares are there in the longer side? Answer, 10. How many squares are there in the longer side? Answer, 3. What do we do to these numbers to get the area of the rectangle? We multiply 10 by 3 to get the area of the rectangle. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Therefore, the answer is 30. Another example, multiplying the number of squares along the longer side by the number of squares along the shorter side to get the area. Area is equal to 6 times 3. Area is equal to 18 square tiles. Fill in the table. First column, rectangle. Second column, number of square tiles along its longer side. Third column, number of square tiles along its shorter side. And fourth column, area of the rectangle in square tiles. Rectangle 1, longer side 7, shorter side 5, area 35. Rectangle 2, longer side 8, shorter side 3, area 24. Rectangle 3, longer side 9, shorter side 4, area 36. What shape is shown? This is a square. How many sides does a square have? What can you say about its sides? Answer, 4 equal sides. How can we find the area of this square? Since a square does not have shorter and longer sides or has its sides equal, we can find its area by multiplying the number of squares along its sides. How can we find the area of this square? Area is equal to 4 times 4. Area is equal to 16 square tiles. How can we find the area of this square? Area is equal to 3 times 3. Area is equal to 9 square tiles. Let's do this. The side of the square tile is 1 unit. How many units are on the longer side of the rectangle? Answer, there are 7 units on the longer side of the rectangle. How many units are on the shorter side of the rectangle? Answer, there are 5 units on the shorter side of the rectangle. In finding the area of rectangle, we multiply length by the width. Formula, area equals length times width, or A equals L times W. Area is equal to L times W. Area is equal to 7 times 5. Therefore, the area is 35 square units. Let's do this. Get the area, use the formula. A equals L times W. L equals 7. W equals 4. A equals 7 times 4. Therefore, area is equal to 28 square units. What is the formula in getting the area of a square? Since square has no shorter and longer sides because they have 4 equal sides. Here's the formula. Area equals side times side, or A equals S times S. A equals 5 times 5. Therefore, the answer is 25 square units. Finding area by multiplication. Fill the table with the correct number. First column, rectangle. Second column, number of square tiles along its long side. Third column, number of square tiles along its shorter sides. Fourth column, area of the rectangle in square tiles. And here's numbers 1 to 3 rectangles. Generalizations. Number 1, how do you find the area of a rectangle? Answer, we can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying its length by its width or using the formula area of rectangle is equal to L times W. Number 2, how do you find the area of a square? Answer, we can find the area of a square by multiplying the length of its sides or using the formula area of square equals S times S. For our evaluation, find the area of each shape. Show how you got your answer. Here's numbers 1 to 5. Let's answer. Number 1, area is equal to 20. Number 2, area is equal to 40. Number 3, area is equal to 27. Number 4, area is equal to 50. And number 5, area is equal to 100.
Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!